What's going on, everybody? It's JT from 7 Figures Marketing, back with another video, man. Today's video is part 2 of the 5-part Clickbank series, where I basically set up a full Facebook ad campaign to promote a Clickbank offer. Now, before we go and pick an offer, first things first, if you don't have a Clickbank account, what you need to do is come over to clickbank.com and set you up an account. So I'm going to do, just show y'all how to set this up real quick before we go actually promote an offer. So what I'm going to do is fill out this basic information and then see y'all in the next step. Now, keep in mind, it's only 3 steps, so it's very simple stuff. And yeah, man, like I said, I'll see y'all on the next page, which is basically the banking information. Here, you'll put your payee name, which is your first name or your DBA, whatever you got set up. Put your bank name, your country, and your tax ID. If not your tax ID, you can put your social security number. And from there, you'll go through the terms and conditions and hit next step. So what I'm going to do is fill out this part, and I'm going to see y'all on the third step. The banking information, third step, and the final step is the account information, or basically you will set up an account nickname or username, whatever you want to call it. And from there, you create your password and then create the account. From there, they send you an email, you just confirm it, and then, you'll pretty much be good to go. You can go set up your profile and the dashboard, things like that. Like I said, you can create your account nickname. The account nickname is going to show up at the bottom of the order form. So, if affiliate click on your link, or not affiliate, but if a customer clicks on your affiliate link and go through the checkout, you'll be able to see your username at the bottom. What I'm going to do is just show y'all what that looks like. Now, once your customers make it to this point in the checkout where they're ready to purchase the product, or if you testing out your affiliate link to make sure everything is going to you, what you can do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. And right here, as you can see, affiliate equals Big Jalen, which is my account. Yours will be right here if you set up your tracking link properly. And that's how you would know if you generate a sale, it will go directly to you and not someone else. So you definitely want to make sure you're testing out your tracking links before you start running traffic to it. It'll show your username that you selected in the third step of the account creation. You got your reporting, so you can see all the stats that's going on, your account settings with your profile, your address and all that banking stuff. You can go from there, resources, things like that. You can always go to the marketplace to find offers. But this is where your sales will show up right here. You can see your weekly stats or your weekly sales, whatever you want to call it. And, just get a feel for the dashboard. I always recommend everybody go and do that before anything else so they can get a good feel of the network that they in. And yeah, man, that's pretty much that. Now we got the account set up. Now I want to actually show y'all how to select offers to promote. Now we got the account set up out the way. I'm going to actually show y'all how I find an offer to promote in 7 steps. So once you're over at clickbank.com on the homepage, first thing you do is just click on the affiliate marketplace. From there, I always like to just come over to, see find products and then click on the search bar to bring up all the products in the network. And basically this is the page you'll land on. First thing, one way I find an offer to promote is just going through the popular offers, which is pretty much common sense. So everybody offers that everybody is running and promoting, things like that. So you can scroll down, look at offers that you might be interested in different niches. Another thing you can do is sort the results by gravity. Gravity is this number right here. Gravity is basically the number of affiliates who made a sale recently promoting this product. So as you can see, this has a gravity of 329 or 330. So that's basically 330 different affiliates who recently made a sale promoting this offer, Cinderella solution. Me personally, I haven't seen an offer where the gravity this high, so this might be worth a shot, man. Another way I like to find offers to promote is actually sorting it by a category or a niche. As you can see, arts and entertainment, betting, computers. Now, the most profitable ones from experience and other affiliates starts with spirituality, the new age, self-help, parenting and families, home and garden, health and fitness, green products is good. E-business, e-marketing, cooking, food and wine. Let's see if I'm missing something. Arts and entertainment, maybe. I don't know too many people running that personally, but I'm pretty sure all of these is profitable and it's somebody making it work. So, just if you don't like the offers from the gravity or popularity section, you can just always come down to the category and find something to promote. Another thing I like to look forward to when I'm selecting the offer is the affiliate page. Affiliate page basically is where the product owner gives affiliates, tons and tons of tools to run and help them out in a promotion. So, you know, you'll see email swipes, free reports you can give to your customers or whoever, leads, wherever you want to call it, banner ads, text ads you can use. So the more tools that you get as an affiliate, that's how you know an offer is working great, because if the offer is converting like shit, they wouldn't have an affiliate page at all, or it'd be limited. So what I'm gonna do is actually pull up an affiliate page so I can show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. Now here's an affiliate page for the offer manifestation magic. Like I said, a good affiliate page always has a ton of tools for the affiliates. You can see they got email swipes, dream series, which is like different landing pages for the offer, banners you can use, blog reviews, product images, video swipes, landers, and other affiliate training, which is all good stuff. Like I said, whenever you see affiliate pages like this, that's normally a great sign, man. So like I said, if you was running some type of email marketing campaign, you can always come over here. So as you can see, they got free gifts you can use that you can give to your lead, different links that you can use. As you can see, main link, no exit pop, written sales page, Facebook traffic page, 1 and 2. Here you go, the email swipes right here. You can just pretty much copy and paste and put into get response, Aweber, whatever you're using. But like I said, man, a full affiliate page is always a great sign when you're looking for an offer to promote. Now, the next step is actually checking out the sales page, or you can actually do that first before you do anything. So I'm going to show y'all exactly what a good sales page looks like. All right, now here's an example of a good sales page. As you can see, I got a nice little VSL going. I got the call to action button right here. They got exactly what they're getting right here, step-by-step instructions, the materials list, different views, things like that, man. Come check out the sales page, because the sales page is very important, because if you come over to, let's say you was interested in 16,000 woodworking plans. If you was interested in this, would you be intrigued by this landing page and buy it yourself? So that's basically the questions I always like to ask myself. Would I buy into it if I was in this niche? You can see they got testimonials, which is always good. The type of projects you can build, good stuff, man. List of plans you can find. You can see they got a ton of plans they can download. More testimonials, and of course another call to action button. So this is an example of a good landing page. Now, one of the last steps I like to look forward to, we got like 2 more steps left, which is actually checking out the traffic stats of the offer. So if you're not hip to SimilarWeb basically shows you the amount of traffic a website is getting. Now you can use this on any website. You can download the Chrome extension. It's free. Only take a couple seconds to download, and then you can see how much traffic a website is getting. With me personally, when I'm looking for offers to promote, any offer with like 50,000 visits per month and above is good. It's good numbers to me, because if an offer is converting, of course, a lot of affiliates will be sending traffic to it and be making a lot of money from it. So as you can see, this one right here, March 2019, they had almost 650,000 visits. April, 650,000 visits. May, 640,000. So they're getting pretty consistent monthly traffic, which is amazing. Another thing you can look at, monthly visits right there. They got the average visit duration. So most people stick on this website for about 1.5 minutes. Look at a couple pages, which is probably this first sales page and then the checkout page, with a bounce rate of 60%. They got the top 5 countries: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, and Brazil. You can basically use that in your demographics when you're setting up on Facebook ads. And you can see 40% came from United States. You can see the traffic sources. I always like to pay attention to the social part. That means people is actually driving traffic to this page from social media. And in this series, we running Facebook ads, and Facebook is social media. So that's always a good sign. 16% of the traffic comes from social media. And that's pretty much that. Now, one more thing I like to pay attention to is the actual rebill. Rebill is basically you making extra commissions on the product. So let's see if the Tez Woodworking has a rebill, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Oh, here's the Tez Woodworking right here. You got a 143 gravity with the average rebill of $93. So that's actually a great sign. And you get 30% of that rebill and 70% of the initial sale. So that's all a good sign, man. Like I said, rebill is basically upsells and subscriptions that customers sign up to, so you can increase your profits with offers that has a rebill on it. That's pretty much exactly how I find my offers to promote. So now, using those 7 steps, I want to show y'all the offer that I'm gonna select for this 5-part series. All right, so here's the offer that I am going to select for the rest of this case study series, which is text chemistry. Use text to make men love you, which is a dating offer that's blowing up on Clickbank. You can see the gravity of 96. They have a rebuild. The initial sale is $47. Like I said, it's inside the self-help niche. So, like I said, self-help is evergreen, will always make money. As you can see, they have an average rebuild total of $114. So imagine we spending $20 on traffic and get one sale, and then the customer goes and buy an upsell, and they maybe sign up to a subscription. Average value of a customer goes from $47 all the way up to $114, which is going to increase our profits a little over 2x. So that's is always great. Another thing I noticed, they have a nice sales page, very, very simple. I love the layout and the colors, and they have the buy button right here. I also looked at the similar web stats and seen that they was getting over 50,000 monthly visits. So I was pretty happy about that. They have an average visit duration of 3 minutes. And they visit 2 pages per visit. Most of their traffic coming from the United States, and they do have some social media traffic. So that was a good sign to me. And last but not least, I noticed they have a very, very nice affiliate page. Like I said, they got product images, email swipes, different links that you can use, product details. As you can see right here, sales pitch angles that you can use, Facebook ads and things like that, target audiences, why you should promote it. So I thought this was the perfect offer to promote. Now let's pretty much do a recap of everything we just learned. So now to recap, man, whenever you're checking out offers to promote on Clickbank, you can always come over to their marketplace and sort it by popularity or gravity. Like I said, popularity is pretty much common sense, is, the most popular offers on the network. Gravity is basically the number of affiliates that recently made a sale promoting that offer. So either way you want to go about it, both of the offers convert, or both of the categories, however you want to call it. The niche is basically the category that you're into, is whether it's health, wealth, self-help, spirituality, wherever the case may be, make money online. That's basically what a niche is. You definitely want to make sure the offer that you're interested in has a great affiliate page. Like I said, they got email swipes, free reports you can use, banner ads, product images, targeting, things like that. That always help out. Make sure you download the similar web Chrome extension so you can see how much traffic a offer is getting. And like I said, if it's getting at least 50,000 monthly visits, that's normally a great sign. At least 50,000 monthly visits, that's a great sign, because people are sending traffic to it. Definitely, well, it's not like that important that it has a rebuild, but it will increase your profits if the product that you're promoting has a rebuild to it. Like I said, rebuild is basically upsells and subscriptions. And of course, last but not least, you want to make sure the offer has a great sales page, because if you wouldn't buy from it, why would you expect somebody else to? So that's pretty much a recap, man, how I find my offers to promote. Now, in part 3, I'm going to be actually setting up a landing page for that offer we selected, which was the text chemistry. So, yeah, man, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video. Subscribe to the channel right now and tick the bell icon to be notified when I release part 3. And, yeah, man, if you want to become a member of the elite course, you can click the first link, or you can click the first link in the description or in the comment section down below. That's all I got for this video, and I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video.